in the airport. Welcome back to my channel. What a way to start my vlog. I'm with Yasmin. Guys, we're going away. I'm not gonna tell you where. I never tell you guys where till I reach. Well, you see it on the title of my vlog. But yeah, so we're just gonna get some food, etc. But outside, yeah, that's it. Guys, I haven't really spoken to you because I've been rushing, but I'm literally on the plane right now. If you have a handheld device, and we're going to, if your electronic device falls doesn't matter, we're going away for the new year. Be back when I reach my destination.
Original girl, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular. No. Make it for real, I'm pretty from a cellular. No. You won't say you're hot. No.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me.
Immigration, but I'm waiting for her. Got the bag. Just waiting. Brittany in Dunkin' Donuts. I've never had Dunkin' Donuts, but you see it on like Simpsons, etc. So I want to try it. I'm excited. I've got a sausage and egg thing. Guys, I'm so starving. And some hash browns and all of that good stuff. America, yeah? I just reached my destination. I got some patties. Yeah. Oh my god, I look so light. Hi. You okay? Anyways, guys, we made it to Jamaica. I look so light on the camera. Look. Anyways, time to get some sun in my blood clot, buddy. Hooray. Patties on deck. Got touchdown in a JA, bro. Whatever, man. Anyways, I'm gonna call you back. I'm gonna get on an Oxford. Hold on. Bye, Janker. Anyways, yeah, guys, we're in Jamaica. Where are you? I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? Huh? Jamaica. Oh, a patty. She got a veggie. That's just to stamp it. To know that it's vegetable. Oh, this patty's frozen because it's just so good. Patty's got a hot. But guys, it's not hot. So she doesn't really have the patty experience right now. It's warm. No, you need to have patty hot. You need to have patty when it's hot, like you're like hot, like bread like you're like hot. Like let's go to Kingston. We're just waiting for our luggage because we're not gonna make our way and get some food, and then we'll figure out what we're gonna do because we don't know what to do. Sorry. Yeah. Where we're staying, a very cute Airbnb. Wardrobe. Ooh, nice. Big wardrobe. Kitchen with living room, etc. It's got a big like front bit. This is the bedroom, very big, very spacious. I can definitely do cartwheels in here. But yeah, literally that's us for a couple of days, and then we're out. I'm out to just see how it goes, you know, as the time comes. Just watch the vlog, innit? Enjoy. Anyways, guys, we're just gonna relax because I'm so tired. Like, we've been traveling basically for like over 24 hours. So yeah, I'm gonna go and take a break with the camera for a bit, okay? Yeah, guys, this is my outfit for the night. I stole this from Janelle. This idea from Janelle. Whoa. And then gold accessories, all of that stuff. And my Chanel. Period. That's my outfit for the night. Cause yeah, I just need to like probably touch up my hair a little bit. Cause yeah, and then get ready for okay. Yeah. So guys, we're on our way. My outfit looks so cute. You see when I get where I am. We're at a concert. I've only hit because I got a free ticket. That's the only reason why I'm here. Guys, I'm at the concert by accident.
Looking nice, dear, you're Ladies and gentlemen of the ex-boyfriend. Ladies, would you come back with the ex-boyfriend? Tell him.
No, no, no.
Ladies,
You don't love me and I know now.
Can make me feel
sing for the ladies.
like a
Let them know.
love is good to me, sorry.
Can't tell, sing like this.
Girl, just like baby to see your love. It's funny. Jamaica love. You wanna feel Jamaica love.
Please, sir.
Everybody wanna visit Jamaica.
Now, love your mother, know you. We got to the end of the earth. For mama, put your two in the night sky right now. Everybody, please. I'm Mr. Owen, shut up. Give me two more, man.
So Vibes Scotland always cutting edge in terms of lyrics and style. So nature tell us about it, just a reflection of life. Now we just wash your face with the cake soap and two. In the AC in my vehicle, AC in my house, AC from the plane when we travel. The skin looks smooth out and good and lovely. Vibes Scotland, six the world boss.
The traditional knitting and drilling camp.
It's free from prison. It's one of the
Ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
People can't tell about the young bro. Do you see? Men on the first fuck. Men on the first night to see her talk. She be naive, she fuck and it's stuck. You run half a body and you get up and cut.
Hold on and a win and a bubblan. But each other such up this a. What's the over for the couple and a win up the money and a bubblan. Do you know what I mean? Anybody me a wine and a bump and a boom boom. And me machine a such up and a boom 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 boom.
Big up right now.
That is it, man. Big up yourself.
Guys, because I know these songs. She's just sitting here like
People,
enjoying her life.
yeah, call up one. Say Gaza. Easy. Wait up, school, now we can't go. Sing that one. Walk.
I'm a band girl, I'm still a number one. Drop out in my bank book full of million. Them can't understand. The people that run us, go. Alone and friendly.
This morning, and it's bright hot. Guys, Yasmin's already using her fan. She only stepped out 1 second ago. Guys, she's not going to be able to handle this heat because it's actually really hot. But yeah, we're just taking a trip down to Mega Mart. I thought we'd walk here so that she can see life, you know, see how Jamaica is. Very nice. Very, very nice. Isn't it? So yeah, just walking now. Gonna show you guys the life we're living. Look upon the life we living, not enough money. But yeah, yesterday we went out. How was your day yesterday, Yasmin? She enjoyed it. Rate out of 10, 10 out of 10. We're gonna do a rating every day. 10. What's your rating? 9 out of 10. She said 9 out of 10, guys. So that's the taxi, innit? With the red plate on it. So yeah, guys, we have a 7-minute walk down the hill and gully. You could take an Uber back if it's not, like if the stuff is heavy. So I'm gonna buy a drink, you know? You're not gonna want to walk. It's true, you know. But yeah, guys, we're going to the supermarket. When I'm in Mega Mart, I'll show you. Because, guys, Mega Mart. Mega Mart. Guys, we're in Mega Mart right now. Market. Sorry. Guys, you said it looks like an American supermarket. Watch tourists though, guys. Watch the tourists. It looks nice, but yeah, we're going to get some stuff. Hey guys, I am ready. I'm going to Devon House. I'm taking Yasmin to Devon House and we're gonna go to brunch with my friends. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing. Some dress from Bershka. We get a long time, but I haven't worn. It's like a flowy look. Woo! Yes. And then we're gonna come back and then we're gonna get ready. Then we're gonna go day party. Well, at this point, it's going to be a night party because Jamaicans just party all night. All night. But yeah, hopefully I can take a little cute picture or something today. Yeah, cute. I was thinking to curl my hair, but I can't be out, so.
I know what I'm seeing.
Oh, you can cut it like a Barbie. Shanice. Yeah.
Used to be from here.
I can't used to be.
Yeah, you used to be from here.
No, I am from here. I'll just live in the UK, yeah. But I'm coming back to Jamaica soon. Yeah, forever. That woman there, give her your chicken. She's ready, yeah. Look at my eyes. We've got cookies and cream and grape nuts. Taste this.
Where is
You'll
your
get
soul?
two. You're gonna get 2 scoops, by the way. That's just gonna give it to you. Guys, we're at Lucky Crab. I can't even read right now. So we're gonna get some seafood. Say hi, guys. This is what my friend Mina got. It looks so good. Like that looks so good, right, Mina? Guys, and I was calling her fat, and I actually want her food now. You look so pretty. Guys, this is what Yasmin got. Some wings, because she don't like seafood. Yasmin, say hi to them.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. My tourist gal, guys. This is my tourist lady. Food. Yeah, it looks like soup. This looks like a soup. And Mina one looks so good. And this looks like a raw soup.
You got barbecue?
Yeah, both of them look nice. I can't.
Yeah. No. This is spicy, yeah.
I don't eat spicy either. I hate spicy food. The mashed potatoes cold. How can mashed potato be cold?
At this point, you just gotta eat whatever they are.
Nice.
The curry. What's the curry? No, it's nice. Obviously, because it's got the coconut in it. It tastes more of like a Thai green curry rather than Jamaican curry. You know what I mean?
I hate curry with coconut.
Yeah. It has a different texture to it.
It gives that Asian feel back to it. Back home, yeah. I'm gonna get ready now to go to Sandz. This is my outfit. This is my outfit, guys. Outfit, nice. It's all white, like beachy attire, which I don't understand because Sandz is not even near the beach. But go off, sis. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready and come back on the camera when I'm done. Guys, we're on our way to Sandz right now. Guys, I put a flower in my hair, but I don't know if it's giving like a part of the vibe. Like I'm not going to the beach, but Sandz is like a beach, like vibe or what? I don't know. I prefer without the flower. I make it look sexy without the flower. Okay, see, my friend said it looks sexy without the flower. You're right. It gives grown. Aye, it gives grown. The flower kind of gives like a little childish look, and I'm not a child, guys. I'm a grown ass gal. Right, yes sir. Good night. Well, good night. Good night, sir. Guys, we're walking to Sandz. Like, Yasmin is seeing Jamaica, not Jamaica. She's seeing Jamaica. Yeah, Jamaica. Yeah. Guys, can you hear the music?
Hey, oh my soul.
Oh, I need to wind up on the road right now. So, is that sure? Oh my god, I thought that was the policeman coming back. I said, Bomba, come catch us now. Yeah, guys, this is the ghetto. We've seen about 5 homeless people right now. Oh my god. You know? And the road just chaka. But yeah, when it gets to Sandz, I'll show you how it looks. Sandz, 10 hours later. We're just waiting to go inside now. Because the line is just long. Like, my foot is full of like beach stuff in my foot and shit right now. Like, on the floor's just bad.
But when we there, yeah, look last like Jamaica. It's my foot and banana. Oh, Jamaica, out of the tree, with a glass like this. Jumping on the river. Glass and fuck them. In the water, fishing in the dance. Them fly the wall, we can't stop them. Hey, holy, clouds rolling. Before I can have with me. Holy, we're going to the tree.
Morning guys, so yesterday I went taboo. As you can see, I didn't use my camera because I don't know how to use like cameras in there, but you can use your phone. So yeah, that was taboo yesterday, and I went to Sandz yesterday. That's all of that yesterday. Oh my god. Now today I am going to either Hellshire Beach or Portmore Harbour Beach. But I'm making breakfast first, guys. Guys, I haven't heard my song Balance or Pretty Girl. So sad, man. I gotta it's not funny. So I'm gonna make the breakfast. This is the music. This is the only sausage. Hello, hi, nice. Best sausage. Best sausage, yeah? Thanks. Breakfast, guys. You see, only thing about Jamaican sausage and egg tastes so fresh, mate. I feel like I'm tanning inside the house. I'm so like hot. It's so hot. I'm going to the supermarket once again, but I just need to get some more money today. Okay, that's what we need to do. Go walk on that. We don't want dead today, cause the money that we have is done. D-U-N, done. Yeah. So we need more. More and pounds. Once it out to me. We changed the mind. This is what I'm wearing. We're going to Prettysmall Ocean Lounge, right? Get something to eat right now. So because it was getting too late to go to the beach, so we just yeah. We're gonna go beach tomorrow morning though, very early. Rise and shine. This is my slipper. The ocean place, ribbies. Apparently the food is really nice. Look at my friend, she looks so pretty, so cute. I'm gonna take a picture of you later. But guys, look. Nice. Guys, look at my food. It's basically the same as yesterday, literally. Like, my God, I'm on the same thing all the while then. Guys, we are just chilling now by this place. They're playing some nice tunes. The sun is going down a bit. So, yeah. I did it, say for you, yeah. Sure. Guys, we're in Island Grove. I didn't bring my camera, but we got some food. Right. We're on our way to the beach now. Guys, this is what I took a video on TikTok yesterday, but we just had to change our mind last minute to go to where did we go yesterday again? Ocean, Ruby's Ocean Lounge. And then obviously we're up early to the beach today. Guys, I just went to exchange some money. Guys, someone was talking to me from across my apartment as well, like, so I'll be back when I get to that one. Show next almost at the place. Guys, I can't wait to go to Agnes concert in the UK. Just got to the beach, it's so pretty. So pretty. Some pictures because of my outfit. Guys, the sun is beating. I'll take some pictures so I can wipe my makeup off my face. I don't want to make up on my face no more. I just put like a little bit of makeup though, like nothing crazy, but it's like a little makeup to take some pictures and shit. And then, yeah. But guys, it's so pretty out here, I can't lie, so pretty. So pretty. And they have food here, they have drinks, everything. My friend recommended this to me. Thank you, Bria! But yeah, guys. But if I sit down, pretty quickly. Guys, I nearly dropped. The music. Guys, I'm so hot, I'm so hot. I'm gonna sweat my daylight out. Oh my God, I put all the sand on here. Ooh. Yeah, definitely gonna catch a sun today still. And I like that for myself, right? Cool. I'm in Jamaica, where are you? US, Canada? I don't know, but where are you? The UK, United Kingdom? Where is you? Where you there? But yeah. Wow, really pretty. I love Jamaica so much, guys. But in there, because he said, woo! Get something to eat. They have shrimp, fried coconut, curry or garlic. It's just 1 hour waiting time, so I might as well fucking buy it now. Because I know I'm going to be hungry later, so yeah guys, I'm going to buy this food because it's 1 hour waiting time. But let me show you the menu and stuff. That's the menu, guys. I said yeah, oh baby, we don't need tonight. She said, what you said? Oh my God. Ah, ooh la la, ooh la la la. Guys, I can't wait to try this. Some garlic prawns with some festival and some salad. Guys, it's pissing down. It's about to rain, but I don't think it's gonna rain for a long time. We're literally over the cloud, but let me hurry up and eat my food and shit. It started raining. I love eating my food, bro. This is a real, real life thing, guys. My hair's wet, but the food is banging. I'll tell you that. I don't know if I don't have anything for you last night, so you gotta wait. The rain will probably stop soon. It's even slowly stopping anyway. Yeah, so it's down. It's like, when you look towards the beach, you can't see the reef. So it's like a passing rain. You know, like when the rain is just passing by. Yeah. You can tell. Not black and brown. I took down my bikini top because, guys, I got a tan here. You can't see it. I don't know if you can see it, but the tan was here. Forever. Why do they keep changing those songs? Of course I want to vlog this for YouTube. Guys, I'm by the beach. The sun went in. The sun went in. It's kind of like dark now. I keep changing between the American accent and the Jamaican accent and the English accent. Depends where I'm from, like where I am at. Love Island 2025. No, thank you. That's my style. Thank you, but anyway, it's not my style, guys. I'm on live. I'm on live right now. Look, someone said if I'm going on Love Island 2025. But I'm not do that. Why would I do that to myself? Yum. Some pepper shrimp. A shame that Yasmin don't like them. We're in KFC. Yasmin's trying KFC for the first time. So, what are you gonna get? What do you think you're gonna get? I don't know. Oh, I'm so sorry. I told Yasmin to get a zinger combo meal thing. Yep. So she's gonna get that zinger combo meal thing. We're gonna get that. The line ain't that long, guys, so I'm a bit concerned. Yes, I'm a bit concerned. But yeah. When she gets the food, we'll review it. Right? Cool. Okay. We got the KFC after how many years? Yeah? Okay. I got my barbecues in. That's the most important thing of life right now. Hi guys. So yeah, I'm back home. I've been back home actually for a while now. The beach was nice. Yasmin tried her KFC, she liked it. Today is a Mecca or a taboo flex tonight because Patsy and I might on tonight. If she's not me, I find out tonight. You know what I love tonight? Kiki, we fly go Dubai. We ain't flying Dubai, but we're in Jamaica. Where are you? I am in Jamaica. Where are you? I'm still due to make that TikTok. But guys, yeah, taboo tonight. So we're gonna wear some hot girl clothes. Is it really hot girl clothes? I don't know, but I'm outside tonight. Tomorrow is our last day in Kingston. Then we're gonna go to OG for a couple of days. Then we're gonna go country, and then we're gonna come. Kingston is gonna see us again, and then it's not home time because I'm staying there. Guys, I bought a one-way, so I'm never coming back to the UK. Nah, come back to the UK, bro. Nah, do it. I cannot do it. I'm not doing it. I cannot do it, bro. I'm not do it. Hi guys, I'm whispering because Yasmin is sleeping. I'm going to taboo right about now. I'm with taboo right now with my other friends that are here from the UK. So my girl outside, the mom outside. I'm tan though. You can't see it now, but I'm tan. I'm really tan. But taboo is seeing me still. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna wash my bag again and I don't care. I don't business. I want to put a little bit of cream because I don't like cream myself. When I'm going out in Jamaica because it's hot. So I'm trying to limit the creaming so I don't get hot. You know what I mean? Period. I don't want me to take a picture in this, I don't think. Yeah. How can I take a picture in taboo like this, bro? be a model. Gonna be a fuck, gonna burn out of the model. Say I'm outside, guys. On our way to another beach right now. Yeah. Guys, this vlog is a bit, it's not choppy, but it's just like, I'm not really talking to you too tough. But right now we're on the toes, eating on the toes road. These expanded to another gas station. I was really back, but yeah, we're going. Right now, so we're almost there. We're not far. We're like a couple minutes away. Guys, I'm literally just at the beach right now. I want to sleep soon, but I ordered some food, some fish, steamed fish, and some festival with a thing, guys. But at the same beach we went to last time, Barbary. So it's nice. Tomorrow we're going out. Guys, I got to him at 7 a.m. Are you laughing? Guys, I don't know if she's laughing, but I think she's sleeping right now. 7 a.m. yesterday, guys. This morning, guys. And I had 4 hours sleep because I had to make sure I came to the beach with Yasmin on Wednesday. Guys, I went to 3 places yesterday. I went Ribby's from You Can See. I went to Taboo. I did not video Taboo. And I went to some like boat party, but the boat wasn't moving, so it was like a dock party. I got home at 7 a.m. It's 7 p.m. Friday. It's not a bad breeze. Guys, it's so hot. I'm just waiting for the food to be done. Trying to catch a tan again. Yeah, guys, I'll show you my food when it comes. Guys, I'm gonna try this food. It looks so fucking good. Like, are you mad? I can't eat nothing else for the rest of the night. You wouldn't, that's a lot. Is that 2 fish in there? Mm-hmm. Wow. Are you sure it's nice? You know, taste the potato? No, taste it, please. No, please. One next to the fish, I can't. 500 hours later, I'm gonna show you. Ooh, this is filling. This is filling. I can't eat nothing else for the rest of the night. Oh my god, guys! Wow. We're in Mega Mart in our frock. Yasmin's in our frock. I'm in my frock. See me. I did this. Look, it can. Body. See my face. Yeah, but I'm showing them your frock. Oh, you see my frock? Yeah, guys. I should. Hey, watch out. Why are you going on Yasmin? Come up on me again. Guys, look, frock. My nice clean frock. That old bomber. Oh. What's this? How much did it take? On the way to the restaurant. I don't know, Robert. Actually, I don't know where we're going. Yasmin. Yasmin don't know nowhere, but she's taking me out. Hello? Hi. Hello? Sorry? I'm going to check some records. I'm going to show you. Can't lie. The menu, there's a lot going on the menu. Still. Let's look at this food. I just got like something very dimly like crazy, so I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try the I'm gonna try the sauce.
Yes.